Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute bunny applique. So let's get started. Now make a slip knot. Make a 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 3 chains we'll consider it as my first double crochet. And I'm making, look, 2 double crochet into the first chain, and making 2 double crochet in same chain. Okay, as I said, I consider the 3 chains as a double crochet at the first. After that, making 3 chains, and we continue again in the same space, making 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and again 3 chains, and in the same space again make a 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Look, now I'm pulling this yarn to tight, and finally make 3 chains, and going to the look here, the first double crochet that we made, slip stitches like this. 1 chain, cut the yarn. We complete our first row. Look, and I'm going to hide these 2 yarns here. For the second row, look here, I'm going to here make a 3 chain, 2, 3, and make a 2 double crochet again in same space. 1, 2. Make 3 chains. This is my corner chain, and we create our corner by making 3 double crochet in same space. 1, 2, and 3. 1 chain. Next corner, look here. Again, make 3 double crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 3 chains, again in the same space. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we're making triangle shape. After making 1 chain, going into the next space, just making 3 double crochet here. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Again into the same space. 3 double crochet. Okay, 3 chains, and going to the first stitch, make a slip stitches. Look, 1 chain, and cut out yarn. Now get a new color for the third row. Again, we're going to whatever we want. Okay, but look at here, this is our corners. Yes, this is a triangle shape. 1, 2, 3 corners. Okay, now I'm going to the top of my triangle. Look, make 3 chains, and making into the same space 2 double crochet. okay? And one chain, going to the next space. Look, this is not our corner, so we're just making 3 double crochet into the next space, making one chain, going to the next space. Look, this next space is our corner, so we're going to make a 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 3 chains, again in the same space, 1, 2 and 3. Look, we make our corners. Do the same process I did in corner in previous row. One chain, next just 3 double crochet, again one chain. This is a corner, so we're making 3 double crochet, 3 chains, again in the same space, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, 1 chain, next space, just 3 double crochet, look, 1 chain. Look, again I reached to the beginning of the row that we made just 3 double crochet. Now we're going to make in the same space at the beginning 3 double crochet, because we're going to complete the corner, and make a 3 chain, and going to the first double crochet, make a slip stitch. Look, our triangle is finished, is ready, and it looks like a dress. Yeah, I cut the yarn here. Look, our triangle is like a dress. Now, let's make the legs and arms. Now I'll start from the leg. Look here, outer triangle. This, look here, this is the place that we'll going to make our head. Look, down the head here, this and this. This is the place of our arms. Look here, this part and this part, this is the place of our, from the bottom of our triangle. Okay, I'm going to make a leg. Look, I'm going to like this. Look, I take this yarn too. Now this is our first chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, after making 6 chain, now going to make a half double crochets from the second chain. Look, yarn over, going to the second chain, grab the yarn together, making half double crochet one by one, four, and the last one, 5. Look, and going to the here again, make a slip stitch, 1 chain, cut our yarn. Look here, the first leg is ready. Now I'm going to, look, tie these two yarn together and cut them. Again, here we're going to make another leg as the same method. And again, here, look, this is our corner, and here make like this method, make arms, okay? One arm, second arm, one leg, second leg, making. Now for the head of our rabbit, we're going to make a slip knot and make 4 chains. Then going to the first chain and make 1 double crochet. Again, we're going to the first chain and making 10 double crochet more. 1, 2. We totally have a 12 double crochet with the first 3 chain that we consider it as a double crochet. After making 12 double crochet, we're going to first stitch and make a slip stitch. For the row 2, make 3 chains. We're going to increase these 12 double crochets into 24 double crochet. In every stitch, we're going to make 2 double crochet, and at the end, we'll have a 24 double crochet. At the end, we're going to make a slip stitch. Okay, now for the ears, make 16 chains. 1, 2, 3. And the first chain, look here, make a slip stitches. And next stitch, look here, make 1 single crochet. Next, 1 slip stitch. And again making 16 chains for another ear. Going to the first chain, making a slip stitch. Next, slip stitch, 1 chain, and cut. Our applique rabbit is ready. You can use these as a decoration on a blankets, cardigans, and you can sew together and can decorate walls. They can be used in many places. Okay, I hope you like this tutorial too. Please leave a comment if you like, and press the like button if you like this tutorial.